I wanted to just speak from my heart because 20 years ago, I made that decision for myself to trust myself, to live a life where I would be fully expressed, doing what I love to do. I came from a corporate background and I wanted to go to work as myself. I wanted to figure out how to take my knowledge and how to um, package what I knew how to do to build an amazing, incredible brand. And I did exactly that. And it changed my life. And now I've built a business that my work life is unrecognizable. It doesn't look anything like what I was doing before. 70 hours a week, trading time for dollars, having a cap on my income, not having any control over when and where, what I could do in my free time. And I know that you're smart enough to get yourself free and to stay free. And I certainly know how to support you in doing that. I've coached thousands of women and supported them with the way forward on that. But there are, as I see, 5 things that I'm going to cover for you tonight on how you might be hiding that giant being that's inside of you. And in order for you to live your life that's unrecognizable, for you to show up for yourself and your dream, these are the 5 things that I want you to think about. Number one is, are you allowing fear to keep you from being great?